one day one car was coming from the opposite side and the other bus was coming. At the same time, both drivers stopped it. That incident inspired us to make this model. So aim of this model is to prevent from the accident and guide a driver from the safety signals. So materials to provide.
How does this function? That's how you have to think. Next year, when you are making a model, you have to think like that. So wherever
organic waste, kitchen waste from kitchen waste to natural manure.
Automatic waste. We have to put the waste. Then automatic
by that we can master that patient life. The materials we use for this model
and lighting sensor, buzzer, and this is a battery and some wires battery connectors. This is
the last one is
manure. And we have I understand the process from the light bulb to the computer. Every invention of new days and creative science will continue to bring new ideas and discoveries that
ultimate.
Thank you.
So
science is the one artist is Pradhan Basappa. He's the artist. Yeah, all his, most of his artworks are displayed.
This is all done by a
Yeah,
artist.
yeah. Same artist.
Which one is true?
Yes, yes.
ಆವಾಗ ಗಾಡಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
So as a conclusion, we like to say that this model has many advantages. It has a potential to save the countless life by
Incident tower from the polluted air from the atmosphere is blown and in a few times like this and in a few distance of water and all the impurities and dust of the polluted water will be collected at the bottom and the pure water will come like bubbles.
When we move this remote, the fan will, the blade will turn and it will cut the grasses.
My name is Anshita from class 6. Today I am very excited to present how does a smart school bus work using the sensor. The IR sensor emits infrared radiation which is not visible to the human eye. When an object like a foot approaches sensor, it reflects the IR radiation. By using the sensor, the footstep of the bus comes down and student can climb the bus easily. In the same way, the bag is also carried to the bag carrier using the same technology. Signal is processed, signal is sent to the bus system using the same technology. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is class 9, where we are presenting our model. When an object approaches near the bus, it will trigger a buzzer.
My name is Pradhan. I am Secretary class 9. We have made a model to detect the farmers to solve the problem related to operating network. This model is titled Autonomous. This model consists of a partial level sensor, the Arduino, and the motor and a relay. Whenever this partial sensor senses the soil is dry, it sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino activates the motor and the motor will pump the water to the filter of the water. If it partial sensor senses it's dry, the signal is transferred to the Arduino. The Arduino will off the motor and the wall will pump the water. It's also helpful and reduce water wastage and reduce labor. And conclusion, I would like to say that this model is a very simple and a practical solution. It helps to lead towards
ಅದೇ ಈಗ Not feeling sleepy, eh? How are you yawning?
Provides the entry of wild animals. It is very useful for farmers and feeders, especially in Kodagu. When the wild animals try to enter an
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Gyalanisha of 8th standard.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Fidaisha of 8th standard. This is our model.
Pulverization. We have to put the waste into this chamber. Hot air blower dries the moisture from the waste. An automated mixer breaks down the waste into the smaller and more uniform pieces. Vents on the chamber walls allows the pulverized demoisture waste into the second chamber.
Second chamber. The waste moves to second chamber where the useful microbes should be added. These microbes help to decomposition fast. Air vents provides oxygen for this process.
Chamber third, the waste has become manure. This has to be used for plants. This model reduces bad smell and makes the area clean.
And it is useful for self-plants in care.
Thank you, ma'am. Science is the way of thinking, observing and doing things to understand the world. We live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe. These both wires are connected to a battery and the battery is connected to a light and these names are connected to a wire like Banach following. If we take the Isaac Newton, we don't know what they invented. If we touch the wrong answer, the light won't flash. If we touch the correct answer, the light flashes. Same thing like Madame Curie. If we touch here, we will take Madame Curie as radium. If we touch the wrong answer, example theory of evolution, it won't.
We just rushed in. That's
How was it, man? Hope you liked it.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. To commence this momentous occasion, we seek the divine blessings of the Almighty to guide and illuminate our path. It is our honor to invite our school stands for. As the lamp is lit, our school choir will render a soulful invocation seeking the divine blessings. May the divine light guide us and fill our hearts with wisdom, compassion, and knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to kindly rise and join us for the invocation.
विघ्नेशा तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं विघ्नेशा तव सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं लंबोदर हे अम्बा तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं गङ्गजटाधर गौरी मनोहर गिरिजा तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं लंबोदर हे अम्बासुत हे कविजननुत हे तव शरणं लंबोदर हे अम्बासुत हे कविजननुत हे तव शरणं विघ्नेशा तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं गङ्गजटाधर गौरी मनोहर गिरिजातनया तव शरणं गङ्गजटाधर गौरीविनायक तव शरणं सकलकलाधर कलुषविदूर सकल जगत्त्रय तव शरणं सकलकलाधर कलुषविदूर सकल जगत्त्रय तव शरणं विघ्नेशा तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं सिद्धिविनायक तव शरणं.
It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you on this joyous occasion of our annual day celebration. It is our great privilege to welcome the presiding officer of today's function, Mr. Mukatira Ravi Chiyanna, President, Jnanajyoti Education Society, Murnad, whose tireless efforts have shaped our school into a beacon of excellence. We salute you with gratitude and extend a genial welcome, sir. With great honor and respect, I welcome our esteemed chief guest, Srimati R. Aishwarya, KAS, Additional District Commissioner, Kodagu. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation and gracing this program with your valuable presence. We are extremely happy to welcome our distinguished directors, Vice President Mr. Bellu Chinnappa, Secretary Mr. B.P. Ganapati, Treasurer Mr. N.O. Mathew, I and Board of Directors Mr. M. Naveen Karyappa, Dr. J. A. Kunni Abdullah, Mr. B. A. Vijaya, Mr. Suguna Subaya. A hearty welcome to each one of you. We take pleasure in welcoming the President of Village Panchayat Monad, Mr. B. S. Kushan Rai, for today's function. A special welcome to Police Official, Mr. Monnappa. A very warm welcome to our former Principal, Mrs. Sheila Abdullah, whose profound leadership is evident in the outstanding achievement of our school. Our heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. A cordial welcome to the President of Old Student Association, Mr. Tai, of our school community. Welcome you, ma'am. It's indeed our immense pleasure to welcome you all for today's function. We were the choreographer, the technical support and service providers of light, sound, decoration, photography, media for their wholehearted selfless effort, unwavering dedication and selfless commitment have made a great impact on each one of us. We welcome you all. Education Society. Let this day be memorable and marvelous, leaving an incredible mark in everyone's heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Hannah. A warm and hearty welcome to you also. Every success story is built on dedication, determination, and discipline. Our achievements, milestones, and accomplishments, I invite the principal of our school, Mrs. Shilpa Ponnamma ma'am. Let us put our hands together. Ma'am, please.
President, Honorable Chief Guest, Directors, former Principal, invitees, parents, alumni, well-wishers, members of the staff, and my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. The campus today is adorned with a festive spirit, with Christmas just 4 days away, and with an added reason for celebration, the vibrant energy and enthusiasm of Naya Bharat, that is the theme of today's cultural program. May the joy and message of Christmas fill our hearts and hope, peace and blessings. I extend my warmest wishes to everyone present here for a happy, healthy, prosperous year ahead. It is with immense joy and pride that we gather today to celebrate yet another year of growth, achievements, and excellence. I warmly welcome this august gathering to our campus and thank you so much for being a part of our celebration. With humility and deep sense of gratitude to the Almighty, I present before you the annual report for the academic year 2025-26. This report encapsulates the progress, achievements, and significant milestones of the year, highlighting both scholastic and co-scholastic activities that have contributed to the holistic development of our students. Now, let me begin with our journey. JJES was established in the year 1999 with a noble vision to serve as a beacon of knowledge and values by providing affordable, quality education to rural students in and around Murnad. At Jnana Jyoti, true to our motto, God is my light, we believe that every student nurtured with sound knowledge and strong values is empowered to face global challenges while remaining firmly rooted in cultural heritage and moral principles. From a modest beginning with just 4 staff members and 56 students, our institution has grown steadily both in size and stature. Today, we proudly cater to 494 students comprising 220 boys and 266 girls, supported by 23 teaching and office staff, 7 drivers, and 6 attenders. This remarkable growth is a testament to the vision and commitment of our management, the inspiring leadership of our former principal, Mrs. Sheila Abdullah, the relentless efforts of our dedicated staff, and the wholehearted cooperation of parents and well-wishers. Moving on to the academic achievements. Academic excellence has always been the hallmark of our institution. Our first batch of SSLC students graduated in 2009 with a 100% result, and since then, we have consistently upheld this proud legacy. The 2024-25 SSLC batch achieved an impressive 97% of result. Out of 34 students who appeared for the examination, 12 students secured A+, that is 90 above. 4 students secured A grade, that is 80 above. 8 students secured B+, that is 70 above. 7 students secured B grade, that is 60 above. And 3 students secured C+ grades. The crowning glory of the year was the exceptional achievement of Master Muhammad Sahil, CM, who secured the first rank in the Taluk, second rank in the district, and 6th rank in the state. On behalf of the entire Jnana Jyoti family, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Master Sahil and the 2024-25 batch. May your success continue to inspire generations to come. The previous academic year concluded fruitfully with a 12-day skill enhancement camp where students were trained in crochet, drawing and art, contemporary dance, chess, and communicative English. This academic year, that is 2025-26, commenced with the theme, Growth Powered by Change, focusing on academics, personal development skills, enhancement, resilience, and adaptability, all guided by strong ethical values. Our school reopened for 10th standard students on 2nd of May for a month to help students transition smoothly into the new academic year. Due to the unprecedented monsoon, the reopening of the school for classes 1 to 9 was delayed, and it opened on the 2nd of June. Moving on to co-curricular and extracurricular activities. At Jnana Jyoti, we firmly believe that education extends beyond textbooks. Equal emphasis is laid on nurturing the artistic, athletic, and leadership potential of our students. Weekly coaching is provided in dance and karate, and students are trained in quizzes, debates, and speeches. World Environment Day was celebrated on June 5th with an awareness program highlighting the importance of conservation. Students pledged to protect the environment and mark the occasion by planting saplings on the campus. The student council elections was conducted in a democratic manner, followed by the investiture ceremony with Mr. Ramnath, a journalist from Karike, as a chief guest. Throughout the year, numerous activities were organized to foster creativity, collaboration, and confidence. Class-wise competitions were conducted to commemorate Independence Day, Children's Day, Kannada Rajyotsava, and Annual Day. Students expressed themselves eloquently through debates, speeches, and skits on themes such as India's innovative startups, game changers in healthcare, digital India, and ethnic diversity. Their artistic flair was evident in painting, sand art, vegetable art, glass painting, poster making, and crafts such as bottle art, jute art, pot art, and wall decor. Innovative thinking was further showcased during the science model competitions too. All these creative works are displayed in the art and the craft science exhibition. So I request everyone to take a few moments to visit the exhibits. The activities for this academic year concluded with sports events conducted for students from pre-KG to 10th standard, promoting physical fitness and sportsmanship. Our students brought great pride to the institution by excelling in various external competitions. 14 students participated in Taluk level Pratibha Karanji, winning prizes in 5 events. Shreya KK of Standard 8 secured second place in Taluk level chess and represented at the district level. Nilisha and Anshida of Standard 6 secured second place in Taluk level shuttle badminton and participated at the district level competition. Our primary boys football team emerged as winners at the Taluk level and competed at the district level. Senior and junior dance teams won several prizes at district level Dasara and Rajotsava celebration. Master Shaddad of Standard 9 secured third place in the Taluk level science model competition. Our school registered for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon movement 2025 and attended the nationwide live webinar to be updated about the innovative project ideas. 7 science models were prepared by our students and submitted for the national competitions. Our quiz team won first place at SMS College, fourth place at Rama Trust School, Napokal. Miss Aishwarya Bibi and Master Yashwin of Standard 10 and Master Anwar and Master Nitin of Standard 9 won consolation prizes at the Inter-School Science and Quiz Fest jointly organized by the Hindu and Excellent of Mudabidri. Miss Rajata of Standard 7 won a consolation prize in quiz at the same event. Miss Pari Dechama of Standard 10 was qualified for the second level of IT quiz organized by the Education Department and Tata Consultancy Service at Mysore. At the district level chess tournament, Yuan of class 5 secured second place and Parikshit Ramappa of class 3 secured 8th place. They are under training from Mastermind Chess Institute, Madikeri. The most significant achievement of the year was winning the overall championship trophies at SMS College Inspire Inception 2.0 and Kaverian Carnival at Kaveri College, Virajpet. We express our sincere gratitude to Mr. Gulshan for mentoring our students towards this remarkable success. A hearty congratulations to all the achievers who brought laurels to our school. To provide experiential learning and exposure, one-day educational trips were organized from class 1st to class 10th. Standard 10th were taken to Mangalore, Standard 6th to 9th to Mysore, and Standard 1 to 4 to Kushalnagar and Madikeri. Our school also had the privilege of hosting the cluster-level Pratibha Karanji competition at a short notice from the Education Department. With the participation of 400 students and 60 staff members, the event stood as a shining example of teamwork, efficient planning, and flawless execution by our teaching and non-teaching staff and student volunteers. Moving on to celebrations and awareness programs. Our Scouts and Guides and Team Jnanavni, that is our Eco Club, actively participated in various community cleanup campaigns. One such being Green Kodagu program and Bolera Koime, a hands-on learning experience on paddy cultivation organized by Karnataka Kodava Sahitya Academy, which showcased their practical skills and respect for tradition. Our Scouts and Guides, band troupe and dance team participated in Kannada Habba, organized by Kannada Sahitya Parishad, that was well appreciated by the public. Important celebrations such as Teachers' Day, Independence Day, Children's Day, and Kannada Rajotsava were observed with great enthusiasm through cultural programs. Birth anniversaries such as Valmiki Jayanti, Kanakadasa Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi, and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti were commemorated. In addition to academic and extracurricular activities, we also organized several awareness programs to address the important societal issues. Drug abuse and traffic awareness was given by the Circle Inspector, Mr. Chandrasekhar Madkeri. Rabies awareness and safety measures by Dr. Shilpa Shri, Veterinary Hospital, Mornad. Awareness on sexual abuse, child marriage, substance abuse, cyber crime, and POXO Act was given by the Head Constable, Mrs. M.B. Sumati. Adolescence, education, and lifestyle changes for senior girls was conducted by Mrs. Anita, the Health Counselor of Kodagu Institute of Medical Science, Madikeri. Special assemblies were conducted over 2 months that paid tribute to significant people, ideas, and global awarenesses, from organ donation to World Nutrition Day, Forgiveness Day to Science for Peace Day, and Indian currencies to continents. All these were presented creatively through role plays, seminars, quizzes, and discussion by the 4 houses under the guidance of the house teachers. Our teachers attended a one-day workshop on basic computer skills conducted by Ms. Binsi, the Taluk MIS coordinator. High school teachers also participated in various skill enhancement workshops organized by the Education Department to stay abreast of the modern teaching methodologies. Parents-teacher meetings are conducted regularly to review student progress, and parents are encouraged to interact freely with the management, administration, and teachers. We deeply appreciate the cooperation and support of our parent community, who form an integral pillar of our institution. Thank you so much, dear parents. I wish to take a moment to acknowledge the continued support of the eGenius app for academic administration and extend our sincere gratitude to Canara Bank for their service and for sponsoring the water purifier under their CSR programs. Thank you so much. Every effort has been made to nurture the innate talents of our students through structured and meaningful activities. Suggestions for improvement are always welcome. I express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone for this cooperation, the management for their timely support and guidance, our former principal, Mrs. Sheila Abdullah, for her continued mentorship. Thank you so much, ma'am. The parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, alumni association, and all well-wishers who remain committed to taking our alma mater to greater heights. As we continue to nurture the flame of knowledge, I am confident that with collective effort and unwavering support, Jnana Jyoti will continue to shine forever. Thank you so much.
The contribution of our dedicated staff, and we also recognize the unflinching support extended by the management for all these achievements. They say small daily improvements bring revolutionary results. Today, we are fortunate to have with us a learned and inspiring personality who will guide us, motivate us, and share her wisdom on how we can grow, improve, and create a meaningful impact. Before we invite our esteemed guest to share her thoughts, I would like to call upon Ms. Pushya of Class 10 to introduce our Honorable Chief to this
achievement has a story behind it. And today, I, Pushya CD of Class 10, take a moment to highlight the remarkable journey of our esteemed guest. With pride and admiration, I introduce our chief guest, who is a symbol of integrity and grit. Srimati R. Aishwarya is an officer of the Karnataka Administrative Service, senior scale, currently serving as the Additional District Commissioner of Kodagu. Throughout the career, the officer has served in several key administrative positions, beginning as the General Manager at BESCOM, followed by Deputy Commissioner of Mysore City Corporation, Special Land Acquisition Officer for Mysore, Assistant Commissioner of Mandya, Deputy Director in the Tourism Department, Commissioner of Muda in Mandya, and Special Deputy Commissioner in Bangalore. In academics, the officer secured 4th rank in Karnataka SSLC examination, 6th rank in Karnataka PUC examination, and received a gold medal in computer science engineering. The officer also stood first. The officer also stood first in KAS examination and has been a national level essayist, debater, and quizzer. The officer developed the Eduru software for citizen services in 2018, digitized more than 3,000 files in the BESCOM office, and introduced the online property tax system in Mysore City Corporation. As Assistant Commissioner of Mandya, the officer resolved more than 5,000 RTC cases and over 1,000 revenue cases, streamlined khata approvals, and helped provide housing to many landless families. As Commissioner of MUDA, Mandya, the officer undertook complete digitization of records, created a new tourist circuit in Mandya, and developed multiple selfie points and tourism facilities. Geotagging and fencing of MUDA properties were also completed under this tenure. Recognizing expertise in administration and technology, the Election Commission of India selected the officer as a national level master trainer and national resource person. The officer trains senior officials including deputy commissioners, superintendents of police and chief electoral officers for 2024 Lok Sabha elections across 12 states including Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Mizoram, Assam and Goa. As Additional District Commissioner of Kodagu, Aishwarya Ma'am successfully conducted the Madikeri Dasara festival with participation exceeding 2 lakh people and managed the Kaveri Pavitra Tirthodbhava event attended by over 80,000 pilgrims in a single day. A theme park was established at Bhagamandala and ration cards and Aadhaar cards were distributed extensively to tribal communities. Through consistent monitoring and review, Kodagu district has maintained the first position in Bhumi ranking, AJSK ranking and Sakhala rankings. We consider the esteemed presence of Srimati R. Aishwarya among us a matter of great honor and privilege. May the Almighty bless ma'am and her family with abundant health, lasting happiness and a long, fulfilling and purposeful life. Thank you.
Yes, to enlighten us with words of wisdom.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದರ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮೂರ್ನಾಡ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 15-20 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ RTI ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಇವತ್ತು ದಿನ ಪೂರ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪೋಷಕರಿಂದನೇ ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಒಂದು ದೋಹೆ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು. ಗುರು ಗೋವಿಂದ್ ದೋವು ಕಡೆ ಖಾಕೇಲಾಂಗು ಪಾಯ್ ಬಲಿಹಾರಿ ಗುರು ಅಪನೆ ಜಿನ್ ಗೋವಿಂದಿಯೋ ಬತಾಯ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಗುರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ದೇವರು ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗುರುವಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದೇವರ ಇರುವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದವನು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಅದು ಗುರುವಿನ ಮಹಾತ್ಮೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸಮಯನ ಕಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ they'll spend more time with their teachers and in their schools. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು 450-500 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 500 ಜನನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯಾಗಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ನಾಗರಿಕರನ್ನು, ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಹೀಗಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನ್ಯಾಯಯುತವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗುರಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು, ಆ ಗೋಲ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು 10 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನು 15 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ, 10-15 ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರ್ ವುಡ್ ಐ ಬಿ, ಹೌ ವುಡ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ನೇಷನ್, ಹೌ ವುಡ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಏಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು SSLC ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು PUC ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಆ ಒಂದು ಧೋರಣೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇವಾಗಲಿಂದನೇ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ದು ರೋಲ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರಾಗಬಹುದು, ಒಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ಜನರಲ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಥರ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೀರರಾಗಬಹುದು. ಅಂತಹ ವೀರರನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸೋಂತಹ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕೊಡಗು ವೀರರ ನಾಡು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ವೀರರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೀರ ವನಿತೆಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಕೊಡಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವೀರರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದರಿಂದ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಋಣ ಸಂದಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನವರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಟ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಷ್ಟನೂ ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಷ್ಟನೂ ಕೂಡ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. You should inculcate that problem-solving attitude in children. Children should always vie for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of their personalities. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಸೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಈಗಿನ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಹಳ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಧೈರ್ಯವಂತರಾದಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಈ ದಿಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದು ಮಹಾಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ, ಅರ್ಜುನನ ಕತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ದ್ರೋಣಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೌರವರು ಪಾಂಡವರು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆದು ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯೆನ, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಚರಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆನ ಅವರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಗೊಂಬೆನ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಧರ್ಮರಾಯನ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಮರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸರಿ, ನೀನು ಹೋಗು ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಭೀಮನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಅವನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕೌರವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜುನನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಜುನನ್ನ ಕರೆದಾಗ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳೋಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮರದ ಮೇಲಿರೋ ಆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿವೆ, ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟಿ ವಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿರಬಹುದು ಅದು. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. You should break through that glass, then only you are going to achieve anything in life. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಗುರುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗೌರವಿಸೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಭೂಮೇ ಹೇ ಗರೀಯಸಿ ಮಾತಾ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಅದುಚ್ಛತಂ ರಹ ಪಿತಾ ಜನನೀ ಜನ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿಶ್ಚ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾದಪಿ ಗರೀಯಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾದವಳು ಭೂಮಿಗಿಂತನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು, ತಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡವನು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಜನಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಭೂಮಿ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಗಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆವೆನ್. ಮದರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆವೆನ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವರ್ಷಾಂತರದಿಂದ, ಸೆಂಚುರೀಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರಿಂದ ಕೊಡಗಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜೀವನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಹರಿತಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮಾರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಟಿ ವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ನೋಡಲಿ, ಅದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೇ ಕಾಲ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆನೋ, 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸೋ 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸೋ ನೋಡಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಜನಾಂಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ನಾವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿಸ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಂಶಯ ಬಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಸರಿನಾ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಸಂಶಯ ಬಂದರೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜದ ಕಟ್ಟಕಡೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಸಮಾಜದ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ, ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರಲ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅಮೇಸ್ಡ್. ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕೆಬಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈವನ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೊರಡೋದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾರ್ಕೋನಿ, ಬಿಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ತರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ನನ್ನೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
us to strive for excellence. Our annual function is not just a celebration of talent. It is a reflection of our journey, our efforts, and our collective achievements. Every milestone reached, every success earned speaks of dedication, perseverance, and teamwork. Remember, never give up. Life will test you, but true strength lies in pushing through challenges and keeping your eyes on your ultimate goals. With this thought to inspire us all, may I now invite our revered principal, Mrs. Shilpa Ponnamma, to take up the announcement for the prize ceremony.
The ceremony, without any delay, ma'am is here with us by skipping her lunch. She didn't have a lunch today, so let's not delay anymore. To begin with, we applaud the achievements of our students and celebrate their success together. This prize ceremony is a tribute to hard work, talent, and the spirit of healthy competition. Every individual here has demonstrated commitment and determination, and today we honor those whose efforts have truly stood out. We begin with the general proficiency for the year 2024-25, recognizing students who have excelled academically across all subjects. I invite the presiding officer, the president of JJES, Ravi Chianna sir, to do the honors. LKG, we have Miss Vismita BV. From LKG, it is Miss Vismita BV. Sir, please. MS. First standard, from first standard, it is Miss Kansi Kavirama, BK. From second standard, it is Master Tanmay, PK. Third standard, it is Miss Ritvika Ponnamma, BC. They can exit from that. From fourth standard, it is Miss Bhavishya MN. Exit from that side. Thank you, sir. To do the next set of honors, may I invite our esteemed chief guest, Srimati R. Aishwarya, ADC. From class 6, it is Miss Rajata CJ. From class 7, it is Miss Lanisha PR. From class 8, it is Master Pradhan Basappa KP. From class 9, it is Miss Pushya CD. Thank you so much, ma'am. Here. This award celebrates a student who has stood out not just for academic brilliance, but for leadership, responsibility, values, and a positive spirit. To do the honors, I request our Vice President, Bellu Chinnappa sir, to present the award. Sir, please. From LKG, it is... From UKG, it is Ms. Dishani, IP. First standard, it is Miss Samruddhi PL. Second standard, it is Ms. Heshvi PV. Third standard, Ms. Dipali WM. Fourth standard, Ms. Jnanagamya KJ. Thank you, sir. May I invite our secretary, Bopana sir, to present the next set of awards. From class 5, it is Master Chirag Ayappa BD. From class 6, it is Miss Harshita BD. Class 7, Miss Nisha BA. Class 8, Master Partha. Class 9, Miss Sashmita PS. Class 10, Miss Bhumika Bhatt, UR. Thank you, sir. We now move on to celebrate excellence beyond academics as we announce the cultural champions. Students who have showcased exceptional talent, creativity, commitment, and vibrancy to every event. May I request our treasurer, N.O. Matthew, sir, to present the award. Sir, please. We have 3 champions from 3 different categories. Ritvika Ponnama beats the trophy from class 5 to 7 category. And Miss Sudiksha Ganapati from 8 to 10 category. Thank you, sir. Now for the most coveted award, the Student of the Year. This award recognizes an individual who exemplifies exceptional academic, leadership, and character qualities. This student demonstrates outstanding academic performance, consistently excels in extracurricular activities, and is an inspiring role model for her peers. She showcases dedication, resilience, and a commitment to personal growth while positively contributing to the school community. And the winner is Hana Farvena of class 10. To do the honors, I invite our director and a former president, Navin Karepa, sir. Sir, please. Thank you so much, sir. Now for the much awaited best group. It has been an incredible journey, seeing all the hard work, dedication, and teamwork from every participant here today. Each group has shown remarkable effort, and we have witnessed outstanding performances across the board. Now it's time to honor the winners, the team that has gone above and beyond, consistently showcasing excellence and spirit throughout the competition, and the championship trophy is won by Shanti House. And to do the honors, I invite our director, Dr. Kunya Abdullah. Sir, please. May I call upon the captain, Master Ranjit Rai, BN of class 10, vice captain, Ms. Purvi K. Dhananjaya of class 8, and the house teachers, Mrs. Yamini, Mrs. Preetika, Mrs. Atira, Mrs. Deep, overall activities that we had for this academic year. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the entire team. Commitment and regular attendance reflect discipline, dedication, and a strong sense of responsibility throughout the academic year. And the deserving winner is Mrs. Jalajakshi BR. To present this award, I invite our director, B.A. Vijaya sir. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Way of saying a big thank you to those whose commitment, kindness, and valuable contributions have made a meaningful difference. To give away the mementos, I invite our director, Suguna Subaya sir. Sir, please. She embodies perfection in movement, rhythm, and expression in every step. A teacher whose passion transforms dance into poetry and discipline into art. Congratulations. Next up, we have Karate Master. Sir, please remain here. Next up, we have Karate Master, Mr. Sham. Sorry, he has not come yet. Okay, moving on, we have our choreographer, Mr. Pradeep. This award recognizes a person who turns imagination into movement, swiftly, boldly, and brilliantly. Known for executing any idea at short notice, delivering power-packed performances with innovative flair. His creativity, commitment has set the stage on fire. We proudly honor the person. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. A celebration becomes even more special when it carries a touch of surprise. To add more joy and excitement to this wonderful school day celebration, we have something very special waiting for our dedicated members of the staff. A small token of appreciation from the management for their big efforts and commitment. At times, the most impactful service is rendered very quietly with sincerity and dedication. Today, we take a moment to recognize and appreciate one such individual whose commitment ensures the safety, comfort, and well-being of our students every single day. Our school bus driver, Mr. Timmapanna, has been a true embodiment of punctuality and regularity, ensuring that students reach school and return home safely on time with a reassuring sense of trust. Mr. Timmapanna, I request you on the stage. Rain or shine, through busy mornings and long routes, his unwavering sense of service has made him an integral part of our school community. His courteous behavior, alertness on the road, and concern for the students reflects not just professionalism, but a heartfelt commitment to their safety and happiness. It is with deep appreciation and gratitude that we felicitate Mr. Timmapanna. To do the honors, I invite our President, Ravi Chianna sir. Sir, please. Congratulations, Mr. Timapana. A professional whose unflinching service, commitment, and wholehearted involvement has been truly invaluable. More than managing office responsibilities, she plays a vital role in ensuring students' safety, monitoring their progress, and caring deeply for their overall well-being. Her meticulous planning, efficient coordination, and attention to detail bring order and clarity to every task she undertakes. With a strong sense of responsibility and a proactive approach, she contributes significantly to the school's development, day-to-day excellence. Always approachable, dependable, and sincere, she goes beyond her defined roles, supporting students, staff, and parents with patience and compassion. Her dedication reflects not just efficiency, but a genuine commitment to the values and vision of our school. It is with sincere appreciation and gratitude that we felicitate Mrs. Sumitra Keshav today for her exemplary service and unwavering dedication. And I request our President again to do the honor. Probably she did not hear her name being announced. She was so deeply involved in her work, I guess. Give Mrs. Sumitra a huge round of applause. Across multiple domains, training students in the band, nurturing talents in sports, instilling discipline, flawlessly organizing events, and of course, capturing candid moments through his lens. No prize for guessing. I hope you know who this person is. His approach to mentoring students is both unique and impactful. With patience, motivation, and a deep understanding of young minds, he brings out the best in every learner. As a committed coach and trainer, he has been instrumental in bringing great laurels to the institution, notably securing 2 overall championship trophies at the district level at the Food Fest hosted by Kaveri College, Virajpet, and at Inspire Inception at SMS College. These achievements reflect not only his strategic planning and rigorous training methods, but also his ability to inspire teamwork, confidence, and excellence among students. His unwavering dedication, infectious enthusiasm, and selfless service make him an invaluable asset to the institution and a true role model for both students and colleagues. It is with immense pride and gratitude that we felicitate Himalayanhood badge holder, Mr. Gulshan, for his outstanding contribution and exemplary service. And now may I call upon Mr. Taib, the President of Alumni Association, to present the trophy. Need to present a small token of appreciation from all the teaching and office staff to Mr. Gulshan. Congratulations, sir. With this, we come to the end of the prize ceremony. I congratulate all the winners and over to Ms. Paridechama.
Winning is not just about the medal. It is about the effort, perseverance, and passion. It is time to recognize our seniors for their excellent achievements.
In the program. Now we are left with the honoring of SSLC students for the academic year 2024-25. Now due to ma'am's other commitments, she has to leave. So I request Ms. Bhumika Bhatyuar, the school leader, to propose the vote of thanks. We'll resume with a prize ceremony after vote of thanks.
On behalf of Jnanajyoti Education Society,
I now invite our President, Mr. Ravi Chianna, sir, to present our token of respect, love, and appreciation to our esteemed chief guest. Sir, please.
Jnanajyoti Education Society, I, Bhumika Bhatt of class 10, take a great pride in proposing the vote of thanks. Our sincere gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati R. Aishwarya, KAS Additional District Commissioner, Kodagu, for accepting our invitation and sharing your valuable insights with us. Thank you, ma'am.
Recognize our seniors for their excellent achievements at the SSLC board exam. Dear winners, walk proudly. Today is your day. May I request our revered teacher, Mrs. Yamini, to take up the announcement.
Of the dais and the audience. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. We express our heartfelt thanks to all the students who have carried this institution to greater heights. I, Yamini Smita, is here to announce the prizes of the achievers of SSLC Board Exam 2024-25. As the saying goes, success is not about reaching the destination, but about the journey that shapes who you become. To begin, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce a truly outstanding student, Master Mohammad Sahil, and I request Mohammad Sahil to please come on to the stage to receive the honor. Mohammad Sahil has achieved an exceptional milestone for securing 620 out of 625 marks and 99.2%. And first rank in Taluk, Mohammad Sahil, please come onto the stage. Mrs. Shilpa Ponnamma and our former principal, Mrs. Sheila Abdullah ma'am, who is the donor of the cash prize. This prize includes, please ma'am, this prize includes cash prize followed by Mrs. Bidrapane Leelavati and Tekkada Suguna Ganapati. K. Gandhinagar Murnad. His achievement stands as an inspiration to his peers and a shining example of what hard work and self-belief can accomplish. This remarkable all-round achievement reflects not only his academic excellence, but his focus and commitment towards success. Today, we proudly honor Mohammad Sahil for his extraordinary achievement and congratulate him on his well-deserved recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a huge round of applause. May this success be the first of many greater milestones in his journey ahead. PV 98.56%, Bhargavi VV, Mohammad Sahil, Jeevita PV with 97.75%, Safwan 96.48%, Hanira Subaya 96.48%, Punya 96.64%, Kritika AB 96.64%, Savina PT 95.84%, Shabnam 95.84%, Lahari Tamaya C 95.68%, Manvita 94.24%, Shinan BH 94.40%, Kritika R 89.92%. Congratulations to all the distinction holders. You have made us proud and we wish you even greater success in the future. As I announce the names, I request the subject toppers of the academic year 2024-25 to grace the stage to receive your well-deserved honor. To do the honors, I request our secretary, Mr. B.P. Ganapati, to step forward. Sir, please. The student who have excelled in Kannada subject is Mohammad Sahil, and he gets 125 out of 125. Congratulations, Sahil. 99, Shabnam, Lahari, and Bhargavi VV. And I do the honors. May I request our treasurer, Mr. N.O. Matthew, to step forward. Lahari Tamaya, Shabnam, and Bhargavi VV. AJES stand as symbol of excellence. To do the honor, I request the director, Mr. B.A. Vijaya, to do the honors. 7 subject toppers are with mark 100 out of 100. Jeevita PV, Hanira Subbaya A, Kritika R, Lahari Tammaya, Mohammad Shinan, Mohammad Sahil CM, Shabnam A. Congratulations, children. Thank you, sir. Sir, Vijay, sir. We truly appreciate your support, sir. Thank you, sir. Up next is subject topper in social science, and I requested Mr. B.P. Ganapati to do the honors. I am delighted that 4 students have topped in social science with 100 out of 100 marks. Jeevita PV, Kritika AB, Hanira Subbaya, and Safwan HM. Thank you, sir. The next, to do the honors, I request our director, Mr. Sugana Subbaya, to step forward. The toppers are Jeevita PV and Mohammad Sahil. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. I would like to sincerely thank the President and the members of the management for their kind support for tokens of appreciation. Thank you once again. Is by teachers to recognize academic excellence and dedication. Our respected 10th standard teachers are presenting prizes to the subject toppers who have achieved outstanding marks in their respective subjects. To begin with, we start with Kannada, and I request Mrs. Kavita to present the prizes to the topper in her subject. And the subject topper is Mohammad Sahil again, with the mark 125 out of 125. And thank you, Mrs. Kavita, for your kind gesture in presenting the prize. Moving on to the Hindi subject, prizes will be presented by Mrs. Shalini. May I request Mrs. Shalini to present the prizes? And the 7 toppers are Jeevita PV, Hanira Subbaya, Kritika R, Lahari Tammaya, Mohammad Shinan, and Mohammad Sahil, Shabnam. Mohammad Sahil CM. Cheers to achievement, dears. Thank you, Shalini, for your thoughtful gesture. Now, I expected Principal Mrs. Shilpa Ponnamma to present the prizes, and the toppers in her subject English are Shabnam, Lahari Tamaya and Bhargavi. Miss Bhargavi VV. Hats off to your achievement, students. Thank you, ma'am, for your generous gesture. Let us move to the social science subject. To present the prizes, may I now request, and the toppers with the marks 100 out of 100 are Jeevitha and Kritika AB, Hanira Subbaya, Sahwan HM. Jeevitha PV, Kritika AB, Hanira Subbaya and Safwan HM. What? Congratulations, dears. Thank you, Mrs. Shobha, for your warm gesture. Sahil with 100 out of 100. Kudos to your achievement, dears. Thank you, Mrs. Preetika, for your heartfelt gesture. Now it's time to honor the toppers of mathematics. To present the award, I request Mrs. Atira to grace the stage, and the topper in her subject is none other than Mohammad Sahil with 100 out of 100 for your remarkable achievement. My heartfelt thanks to all the teachers for your encouragement. Thank you, one and all.
Our alumni are the strength and pride of our school. Their accomplishments in life reflect the solid foundation built here. We are honored to have Mr. Taib, the President of the Alumni Association, with us. I request him to address the gathering.
Friends, teachers, a very good afternoon. So, I know there is a lack of time, so I'm not taking much of your time. There is a saying, a man is a part unknown, a part DNA, a part what he sees and goes through as a child. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಜ್ಞಾತ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೈ, ಕಾಲು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಅದು ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ DNA, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಕೂದಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನದು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ DNA. ಅದು ಒಂದು ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜಂದಿರು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಭಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಸೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಹಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಸೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್ ಲವ್, ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೇರ್ enough in home as well as in school, he is going to be a very good child. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್, ಎ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಓವರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್? ಟ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಬರೋದು. ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಲುಷಿತ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಬರೋದು. ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಟ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲುಷಿತ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಡ್, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ನೀವೀಗ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವಾಗ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೇಸ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ಅದೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ? ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರು ಡೈಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೇನೆ. ಯು ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡಿ, ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡದಿದ್ದರೆ ಆ ವೀಡ್ ಥರ, ಆ ಕಳೆ ಥರ ಜನರು ಮೆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಲ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಬಟ್ if you guide them properly, if you water them, if you love them, if you care them, ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? They are going to become the garden. So my dear students, what do you want to become? Do you want to become a weed or a garden? Garden. And my dear parents and teachers, what are we growing? Are we growing weeds or garden? Thank you.
Connect the past with the present. Leadership is the power to influence, inspire, and ignite young minds. We are fortunate to have a visionary leader who has presided over today's ceremony. May I now invite our presiding officer, Mr. Mukkatira Ravi Chiyanna, to address the gathering.
ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 26ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂಥ ಕೊಡಗಿನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಆದಂಥ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರೇ, ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೂ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲು ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದಂಥ ಬೋಪಣ್ಣನವರೇ, ಖಜಾಂಚಿಯಾದಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಯೂ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ನವೀನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಗೌರವ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದಂಥ ಮಾಜಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೆ ಕುಂಜಾಬ್ದಣ್ಣವರವರೇ, ವಿಜಯನವರೇ, ಸುಗುಣ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಅಡಿಗಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ಶೀಲಾ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲರವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶಾಲಾ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ, ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಸ್ತು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನವಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ, ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ತಂಬಾಕು ಮುಕ್ತ ಜೀವನದಂಥ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಹತ್ವ ಇದೆ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ಜನರಿಂದಲೇ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಂಬಾಕು ಮಿಶ್ರಿತ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸುವ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಚಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪೋಷಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸುವುದು ಉತ್ತಮ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಯ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರ ನಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲು ಶ್ರಮಿಸೋಣ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Curtain draws to a close on this remarkable event. We take a moment to acknowledge the love, support, and dedication that has made our annual day celebration truly special. From the unflinching support of our management, to the guiding hands of our teachers, to the constant encouragement of the parents and the enthusiasm of our students, every effort has added a special color to this memorable occasion. May I invite on the stage our school captain, Ms. Bhumika Bhatt UR, to express our collective gratitude in the vote of thanks.
Jnanajyoti Education Society, I, Bhumika Bhatt of Class 10, take a great pride in proposing the vote of thanks. As we conclude this momentous celebration, I would first like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty for blessing us with the success of this event. We are deeply grateful to each one of you for your presence and support for today's celebration. Our heartfelt thanks to the President of Jnanajyoti Education Society, Mr. Mukkatira Ravi Chiyanna, for presiding over today's function. Thank you, sir, for your leadership and support. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed directors, Vice President Mr. Bellu Chinnappa BA, Secretary Mr. BP Ganapati, Treasurer Mr. N.O. Matthew, and all board members for their unwavering support and guidance. We thank the President, Mr. B.S. Kushan Rai, Gram Panchayat, Murnad. We also thank the Assistant Sub-Inspector, Mr. Monnappa, and staff of the Police Department, Murnad, and the primary healthcare staff of Murnad for their valuable services. A special thanks to our former principal, Mrs. Sheila Abdullah, for her guidance and support, and also for having contributed the cash prize to the SSLC topper, Master Muhammad Shahid. Thank you, ma'am. Our sincere thanks to our director, Dr. J.A. Kunyabdullah, for presenting a cash prize to the mathematics toppers of all classes. Thank you, sir. My humble thanks to our principal, Mrs. Shilpa Ponnamma, for motivating us to do our best. Thank you, ma'am. We are extremely grateful to all the donors for their philanthropic gesture. Our special thanks to Canara Bank for their valuable service and for their sponsorship of a water filter to our school. A special thanks to Mr. Taib, President, Old Student Association. A special thanks to Mrs. and Mr. Bidrupani Purushottam for having contributed towards the endowment prize. A big thanks to Messrs. Knowledge Publishers, Bangalore for monetary contribution. I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our alumni, invitees, well-wishers, former teachers. Thank you for your support and encouragement. A special mention to Mr. Gulshan, Himalayan Hood Badge holder, for your constant support and motivation. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks to SSLC teachers for their thoughtful gesture of presenting special prizes to 2024-25 batch students excelling in their subjects. A special thanks to Mr. Shyam, our karate instructor, and Mrs. Jalaja Nagraj, classical dance teacher, for your continued dedication. Heartfelt thanks to our parents for your unconditional love, support, encouragement that are the cornerstone of our success. Thank you for being with us. A special thanks to Mr. Tekkade Suguganapati, parent of SSLC topper Mr. Rohit T.S. for having contributed cash prize to SSLC topper Master Sahil. We deeply appreciate our alumni for their ongoing connection and support for the institution. Thank you. Our profound thanks to Mr. Pradeep of TV1 channel for giving all our events adequate coverage. A special thanks to our official photographer, Mr. Nagraj, Digital Ultimate Studio, Murnad, Mr. Rajshekhar Kampuker, Murnad, Mr. Uttappa for the uniform supplies, Messrs. Gausi Tailors, Murnad, Messrs. Yakub Shulan, Murnad, Messrs. Swagat Sweet Stall, Murnad, Messrs. Pancharatna, Murnad, Proprietor Kirti Printers, Murnad, Krishna Printers, Madikeri, Shanti Printers, Madikeri, Messrs. Arun Stores, Madikeri, Messrs. Lulu Fancy, Murnad, Messrs. Swastik Music World, Murnad, Mr. Madan, Proprietor D-Twin, Messrs. Yashir, Sports World, Napoklu, Messrs. E-Genius, Bangalore, Messrs. Padmanabha Textile, Madikeri. Our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have directly and indirectly contributed for the smooth functioning of today's event. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the catering team for the delicious refreshments, the security staff for ensuring a safe and secure environment, the transportation team for their seamless coordination, and all our dedicated volunteers and unseen hands who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make today's event a grand success. Our deepest appreciation goes to the dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff whose tireless effort and commitment have made a lasting impact in every student. Our special thanks to the choreographers, Mr. Pradeep and team, the technical support team, and the service providers for Shamyana, lights, sounds, and decoration, Mr. Sufi, photography and media, whose wholehearted support added life and color to this celebration. We sincerely apologize if we have unknowingly missed mentioning any names, and we express our deepest appreciation to each and every contributor who played an important role in the smooth conduct of today's program. Finally, the best is reserved for the last. A big thanks to the shining stars of Jnanajyoti Education Society, who are the true spotlight of today's program. And a special thanks for the student volunteers who have been working tirelessly for the success of this event. We wish you all a great day. Once again, thank you all for making this celebration memorable. On behalf of my classmates, I assure you that we shall always strive to follow the ideals and values set by our respected seniors and this esteemed institution. As the 18th batch, we shall leave this institution in March 2026, carrying forward its legacy with pride, dignity, and excellence. May the knowledge imparted by this institution illuminate our paths, and may the spirit of perseverance, discipline, and hard work instilled here reach every corner of our nation. We promise to uphold the name of our institution and contribute meaningful to society wherever life leads us. ನನ್ನ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಅನುಸರಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. 18ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2026ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಗೌರವ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಧನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ತೊರೆದು ಹೊರಡುವೆವು. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಪಡೆದ ಜ್ಞಾನವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಿನ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಲಾದ ಶ್ರಮ, ಸಹನಶೀಲತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯದ ಸಂದೇಶವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸಮಾಜದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವುದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
We now take a short tea break. Kindly refresh yourselves. We will shortly resume with the most awaited segment, the cultural program showcasing Naya Bharat.